Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here to answer the question, do ducks actually need water to swim in? Well, the short answer is no, ducks do not need water to swim in. Ducks, however, love to swim. It's in their nature. When it comes to the water needs of ducks, they do in fact need a deep enough water pan to clean their head and bill. If it's not deep enough, their nasal passages will get clogged. Chickens dust bathe to get rid of external parasites, like lice and mites. Waterfowl, like ducks and geese, bathe themselves in water to drown the parasites off them. So to sum it up, ducks do not need water to swim in, however, they need a deep enough water source to clean their head, and in order to naturally keep parasites off them, they need somewhere to bathe. And of course, it's in the duck's behavioral biology to want to swim. That wraps it up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. And don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell and encourage all to keep your hens happy and healthy.